there guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your teacher Daryl Dan Mundo. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so that you're updated to my EduSci vlogs, my tutorials, and my travels. So if you are new, do it now. Okay, right at this moment, I will teach you how to make your own grade sheet, whether it is for your entire class or whether for your subject area. But for now, I will teach you how to make it in your own subject area. Whether you have your own Excel file, you have the existing Excel file, and then you will just transfer it into a Google Sheet. Okay? So it's a little bit different from the Excel, but you can see there's a minimal difference between the two. Okay? So that we can now make our own grading sheet in our Google Sheet. Okay? I think that you are ready, and let us start. Just sit back and relax and learn. Okay? So the first thing is we need to go online, and we will go to our browser. So since I have now my Google Sheet already, I already formatted it. Okay? So this is my format, and the subjects are aligned in the Form 138 of our students here in the Philippines. So like the subjects are now in order. Okay, so you can modify it based on your maybe school's preferences or based on what the Department of Education has told us to do. Okay, so since I came from Arellano High School, I write everything there. So summary of final grade first quarter, then the school year, subject teacher, the subject, the grade and section, and then the advisor of my students. So I have the different students' names. We have Filipino, English, Math, Science, Araling Panlipunan, Edukasyon sa Pagpapahalaga, CLE or Techbook. And then we have MAPE, Music, Arts, PE, and Health. Research, since they are special science section, they have research and environmental science. Then average, rank, distinction. So they are a lot the same with the Excel, right? And even as you can see, the different tools above, almost the same, right? So maybe they just a little bit of different area, like the tool box or the tool part of this Google Sheet is a lot different from the Excel. But as time goes by, you will be able to be familiarized with it. So I will teach you how to make an average, rank, and distinction, like with honors, with high honors, and with highest honors. Okay, and we will do it everything automatically. Okay, by just giving you the secret formula. Now it is not a secret. Actually, it is very the same when you do it in Excel. So I already did that before in Excel, but this time I will do it in Google Slides. Okay? So if you wanted to have your Excel, not Google Excel, but Google Sheet to be edited by the advisor or the subject teacher of your students, you can share it. So this is just the difference between Excel file and Google Sheet. Since this can be shareable, like this file can be shareable with the different teachers of your students. Okay, so for example, I am the advisor, and then they are going to input the grades, okay, of each subject area. You will just share the link, okay, to the subject teacher so that the subject teacher will be the one who will put the grade manually. Okay, so how is that? So let's just go to share. So if you are already done with your format, and for example, you lack Filipino and mathematics or science, and the teacher is not yet done, okay, you just go to share, and then you will see there, it will give you a this one. Okay, it will give you a prompt message that you can share it with people or groups, and here you can get the link. So at this point, it is now restricted. So we can now change to anyone with the link. Because if you're going to choose restricted, they will not be able to open your file. Okay, they will ask for your access. So anyone with the link So this is very important. And then right after that, in this part, you will see viewer. So if you did not change this, they will just view the file. They will not edit this file. Okay? Might as well, we should change this. Click this one, and then you will see viewer, commenter, or editor. So you will make the subject teacher as an editor. Okay, there you go. So that he or she can edit. Okay? Commenter, they can just comment. So editor, and then copy the link, and then done. So when you send that link to the specific subject teacher, they will be able to input their grades into your student. Okay? So we can now proceed. And now, since we have the prepared grades here, so these are not real students, I just make them students 1 to 5. Okay, and they are not all true grades. Okay, so I have here a blank space. Before the music, arts, and health, I will put the average of MAPE here. Okay, so all you have to do, are you ready? Okay, you're very ready, huh? You just need to put always equal sign before doing a formula. Okay, and you will see the formula here on this bar. This is the formula bar. This is the toolbox or the toolbar. The toolbar rather. Okay, almost the same as with the Excel. And here you will see the formula. Here, same as with the Excel, right? So let us go to the specific cell. As you can see, where your cursor is or your active cell is, you will see this blinking line. Okay, if it is blinking, meaning to say that is the active cell. That is where you're going to edit. So first things first, you need to put equal sign. And then you will type average. And then open parenthesis. And then click music, arts, PE, and health only. Then close parenthesis. And then type enter or click enter, and then there you go. You have now the average for MAPE. And then by the way, you can also change its decimal point. So by looking at the toolbar, you can increase or decrease the decimal places, like this one, like that one. See? And then so that you will be at ease, just go to the side of this active cell, and then you will see this cross cursor. Okay, you will see that cross cursor. If you see that cross cursor, you are able to drag it down and copy all the formula from the active cell, like this one. Just click and hold and then drag it down. There you go. And then you copy everything. You copy all the formula. Okay, so that is for the average of MAPE, but we're not yet done. You will go to the average for the specific class. Like we are going to get the average of the specific student. So again, just click equal sign, then type average. Then do not forget to open parenthesis, to put open parenthesis, and then click the grade in Filipino on the way to the grade of the MAPE. So we're not going to include the MAPE here. Okay, the music, arts, and health, but only for the average. And then since we have additional subjects here like research and environmental science, if you're done with this first range, just click comma. Okay, click comma, and then just click the grade in research, and then drag it to the next one, to environmental science. And then there you go, meaning to say they are included now in the average formula. And then close parenthesis, and then click enter. There you go. So we have 89.1. Again, if you can change also the decimal places. And then let's drag it down. Just look at the cross cursor and then drag it down. There you go. So we have now the entire average of our students. It's very easy, right? It's like very the same in our Microsoft Excel. And then the rank. So this is very important so that we will not be able to like guess or recompute which of our students is the first, the second, the third, fourth, and so on. Okay, so we will be able to detect who's the first, second, third, and up to the 10th onward. Okay, or the 10th rank rather. So if you do not have any questions about the average, let's go now to rank. So again, let's start with equal sign, then type rank. And then do not forget to put open parenthesis. And then, of course, you will click or choose the grade or the average of the student, the first one. Okay, there you go. Click this one first. And then put comma. Okay, then the second one is the range. Just go to this part, the first student average up to the fifth student average. You will get the range of it. Okay, that's very important. And then close it with the parenthesis and then enter. There you go. So you will see 2 over there. Okay, and then you can just drag it down. See, but there's something wrong, right? You will see that there are a lot of 2's and we have 2 1s. Okay, so that's a no-no here. So how can we adjust that thing? It's because of the formula. Do not forget when you are going to put a range or when you're going to put the range within the formula, do not forget to put a dollar sign. That's very important inside the range. So we will just go here, we'll just delete this one. Okay, I'll just delete those numbers. Okay, let's go back to the first student. Okay, and then we will go to the rank part where it is located in the formula bar. So here, this is the formula bar, and then you will just edit. Okay, you will edit the range. The range is the second part of the formula here. So this is the violet font. Okay, this one. So put the dollar sign before each alphanumeric. Okay. So before Q7, or Q first, let's add dollar sign. And then before 7, let's add also dollar sign. And then Q, before Q again, let's add dollar sign. And before 11, let's also add a dollar sign. And then click it. Click enter. There you go. You see the 2. But when we are going to drag it down, look what will happen. See, there you go. It changes. You will see which student is the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So we have student 4 as number 1, student 1 as number 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, so basically the dollar sign, when you put the dollar sign inside the range in the formula, it secures the range. Okay, because when you do not put the range or not the range, but the dollar sign inside the range will become realigned. Okay, so it's like if you go to upper part or lower part of the column. So it's very important. Do not forget to input dollar sign before each alphanumeric inside a range. Okay, then if we are done with that, we will now go to distinction. Distinction is that we will be able to detect which of our students is with high honor, with high honors, and with highest honors. So we have 3. That is in the DepEd order. Okay, DepEd order number 36, series of 2016. So let's edit this one. They're not empty, but number 36. So this is very important. So the thing here is that we should have a separate spreadsheet, the VLOOKUP or the vertical lookup So in the vertical lookup, this is where the distinction is located or situated in depth order number 36 because of 2016, like what we said a while ago. It is now the distinction that students that has 90, okay, average, it is with honors, and like 91 to 94 average, they are with honors, and 95 up to 97, they are with high honors, and 98 to 100, they are with highest honors. So a lot of chances for our students right now. Okay, so are you ready to know how to put distinction? You can type it manually, but you can also do it automatically using a formula. Okay, so I think that you are ready to use the distinction over here. You're very excited, huh? Okay, again, let us do and put the equal sign. Click equal sign, and then just type the name of VLOOKUP or the virtual lookup. Vertical, not virtual, sorry. There you go. VLOOKUP, very important. And then, open parenthesis, and then type, or click rather. You can type if you know the number and the letter of this active cell. So we just click it, average, and then comma. There you go. And then right after that, we will go to the next spreadsheet. We will go to VLOOKUP. And then you will highlight the numbers and the distinction, everything, so that it will have a range. So then right after that, click comma, and then 2, because it is in the second spreadsheet. Okay, and then close it with a parenthesis, and then click. And look what will happen. Not applicable. Why? Because it is lower than 90. Very good, not applicable. But if we are going to put this one into, like, maybe we can change some of the grades here, like, make this 85 in mathematics. Okay, and then let's move another one. Change it to 91. And CLS getting to 95. There you go. So the average changed into 90.20, and then the distinction is with honors. And then right after that, again, we have the what? We have the range. So we need to put $sign. Very good. We need to put $sign here. Then right after that, we can now drag it down. See, we have not applicable and not applicable and with honors. So we will just adjust the grades over here. Okay, adjust the grade here. Adjust the grade. And adjust the grade, adjust the grade. So the third student or the second student is now with honors. Okay, again, let's adjust this one. Adjust and adjust, adjust and adjust and adjust. And let us adjust again. There you go, with honors. And this one, since it's very low, okay, it is not included with distinction. So maybe we can change this into 90. Okay, 90, sorry. Now he's with honors. Okay, so maybe we can just adjust the grade so we can have highest honors and with high honors. Okay, so 98. There you go. We have now with high honors, and then we have with high honors. Okay, change this. Okay, now we have the with highest honors. We have now with high honors, and we have with honors, and we have already the rank. So that's how you put or insert a formula to automate the average, to automate the rank, and to automate the distinction. And also, you can share it to the subject teacher so that they will be able to insert manually their grades in each student, just sending or sharing the link. So that's how you do an automated grading sheet. So I hope we are all ready, teachers, for the new normal setting of education. So again, I hope you learned something. This is your teacher Daryl Del Mundo, signing off. But do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so that you are updated in each tutorial of this vlog. See you guys. God bless you all, and have a great day.